wiase ewo London na animguase de yesi wiase na ye wo no se ye wo no ye wadwen se wonni nokore ewo abrabo ma de to ewo wiase nyina ene animguase na da biase ye ka se yes ewom se wo ye political party a de ohwehwe nyina ene se se bi obetumi adi nkunim ewo abatuom na se bi waba bedi oman so but enene nkyere se said the tie bia no e wo se wuni ntro emfa nkyere omanfo no because entro no ubedi ntro no edi anya tumi no na se wudi ntro no na wunya tumi no wie na ubetra konwa no so a ena me ntro a wadie ene nkontompo a watwa edi a kyere amanfo nti no ebeye dinamaw ebeye dinamaw so betumi a maintain wo ho na waye wadwuma said yes na efata the entire American same way nyina ne say when we say during the 2024 elections and even 2020 elections and this year campaign be very strong, they are very strong. And some ankrofo we can in the media. And some ankrofo we share that and nante abonten so kekande to amanfo enipa no team boshe ahodo boshe after boshe, even to a point say obi kura anyim ne yere a na NDC were ready to make it feel say Yakufuado ana mani pakura yeden anyem ne yere. It was very serious. But Yankopon a sabio obo nipa na wape ne bofo ne yenka ne se na boafo aka ne ho ebo bodre ka kire na yewura Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Omiani MPP amanyokuo no se monka makoma ntomo yam na momfa tumi ma nkrofo wei na se modi tumi na ma omo a Ghana fo behu omo suni omo ban ekoba ne sa 2028 ehu nhia mpo se mo beye dan mo beko campaign because automatically no they will actually campaign for you. Asem we na Nyankopon fa honhom kwan so kan de kire Dr. Bawumia ewo dan mu ena yewura so a odo osom Nyankopon na oso Nyankopon egitu mu ye se okay se sa ena Nyankopon wo kan kire me de a ena me so magye atum meto wase na magye tumi no mu de amajo mahama because e bia na wonim but Mahama was ready to cause even civil war in the country. Don't think say be I'm making jokes. I'm telling you the truth. Abuja mama me feedback. Say me audio no ye kama me sere mo pa mama me feedback. Me ban nana akua afro be mo akwaba pa afro papa be me chia ye pa mo akwaba. Me say audio no nya ne kama mama sonte na me hu say yes everything is going on well. Asamana meka Yewura Dr. Bawumia odi Nyankopon ne nsem so na oje Nyankopon asem tum was actually aware say Yewura John Mahama was ready even to cause what we call civil war in Ghana. So when nkunim 2024 the man was ready to cause civil war in the country. Eti MPP fo bi no ma omo na ma omo se na Dr. Bawumia accept best bright GH mo akwaba accept defeat in tentem was saying ka won twen the entire na opere ne ho abusiamfo. You people were not in the corridors of power, so you don't know what was going on. But Dr. Ojitumu say oman no asumdwe hu hia sen nipa obedi oman na anim no e make sure say the people in the country no obi bia ho nka na tumi no de osina ni abre na se de tie bi opetumi ne yemfa ma no e maame Nana Akuya from that's a pass over my feedback. And he died to me way. And he my John Mahama. Yet then to me in a map upon a pet and or shall see a state capturing. Yeah. Rose modern, Rose modern and Nimasa Mansa, Michelle Yepa Mwakwaba. Yedi to me in a map papa we are no shall say or Chegana Japadia their man and one in a bushiam for. Now when the promises now we're making on your day, on taking them into execution. Now there be a metry me kase. Ebi ana 1992 muhonom. Abra democracy sha se wo Ghana man no. Sa abre no mu de. Na yenya nuru empempenso bi a digital no command every space. Enti sa abre no, people could lie. People can say whatever they want to people, and nobody will even remember what they said exactly. But ene babia yakwa duro ni babia wiase na nante akwa koduro no otuntasro to form ene. Somebody is there watch a picture and I watch a video or they are to babia o china yebetumi ayi e de akiro. Enti nsam na yewura mahama ekeka 2020 any 2024 2024 mu se enene ye ne benchmark Ghana from fanye den emmark no na omonto aban fama no ene the video evidence are there to compare to what the man is doing today. Abusia, hey, listen to me very carefully. Whatever I'm telling you, Biano, I'm choosing my words very well because I know what I'm talking about. I know whatever I'm talking about. I'm not just here, set me bedin trachel. That be my aim is to bring you the truth. The truth. Truth na nkrofobrim so omode. Enam sika kakra bi omonsa so munti omonkano. Ras Media is ready to give you everything. Anything hidden, we will bring it to you. Abusia, yewra John Mahama timi ko gina simpie ne mpaso ka kire Ghana fo nyina se nsuo to na akra ebedane river eye nanado danko akufu ado a yesu anomani bedi obampanyini in 2016 no eye ono ne fort ono na ama overflowing ache Ghana enti yempam ono na abane na MPP fo engu baabi na ono mahama no so ba he's coming to make sure say that overflowing no ensuo to ebinsida na dabi na asna me kan asem bi o ha say ye ka the civil engineering program ayewo wo man mu a nipa wo so mfa so mo no ene NDC aban PNDC Jerry John Rawlings Breso because Rawlings had all the time the absolute power of command. Temiye Yewra Jerry John Rawlings yankopon fa ne kransie he had the absolute power no bi otimi kwachi adwadifo ba won na mu twamu ma ebro won pam businessman from manum obi anka hwenkyere no I didn't want to mean you see the same to me, no. I'm making sure, say, the town planning system, the drainage system in the country, be stable, never respected by each and every Ghanaian. Why not? Because me catch them with the BS. Those guys, and this is for they don't know what is about governance. All what they know is yenso yemra yemedibi. But when Mahama was in opposition, he failed to say, Assembly obetumi akamana ye nkrofo de bia no. Say them because at the end of the day, what you need is power. And Mahama chan Troy guho e de kire Ghana fo. Na asem ni ntwamu. Asem eni ni ntwamu. Ye wura tumi di ntrade to talk Ghana fo adwene. Eba Ghana fo koto abama no because they were expecting for what he said. And Rabbi Badima, Yewura mahama kopie mu ewo London na sa London kro we ya no mahama ko ni kwanse nkoko because anim guase na papa ne de ba fie no etoso anim guase pa chichirichi bebre anim guase nkwa papa iko ya ni wure free say the diasporans no yente se Ghana for no omote Ghana omo ebinum adwene na that is enkuto no onim and I say he has opened the gate for the Ghanaian diaspora in London nkrofo omo akoso omo adwene no mu apai oso omo kwanso mbebisa question and e dey pempem so and e bisa mahama question. One of the questions are exposed to Yewura Dramani Mahama very well, and he say, yes, the overflowing problem in the country, no, how is he going to solve it? Miriam, Yewura Mahama brebi a chemosi akufado otie konyaso since 2016, and I hear the cost of overflowing during the rainy season, no, and there, Yewura Mahama say, eya him for na 4 to ye omo dia, hey Mahama. John Dariga Dramani Mahama kan samba ko faha no aka bia faha ade be chi no aka bia fa central eya sebo na ye bisa ne question we say papa nyi ya no maye na papa sie ye ne de the overflowing system in the country due to lack of quality drainage system or minum no o say ene de enye sabi o abanya oteso na wanye ne yi na mom no it is because of the chiefs, the traditional leaders in the country and omwanye dey omwatoto omu no maye and madam fu bi ti amena so ka kire me say papa bisa mahama ma me say chief ton asase kura de ma individual some fanye ni project a ehefo and e ma kwan say yes they can build on the land omese mi misa sa asem no mesem ye me hwehwe mu ahu ye ma hu se the local authority no and e ma go ahead e ma yetumi si dan edisi ho enti Yewura Mahama enya hemfo and e ye omo fort said the 2016 o se Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ono na ensem fata ono na amaga na man Accra krokese ye nsuo to anan hira fa no papa saa na wo so enne nsuo na to na hira fa amanfo a take your responsibility and do something about it. Me pese ye nkonko tie bra ye bisa mahama sa asem no ye wi a ne yakwakotie during the campaign what Dariga Ibrahim John Dariga Ibrahim Mahama kaye na me answer bebo video no me fa akwanya we so na maka kire matiefuo nyina se enkra na na mototoro matini nyina momfa ncheme na yaye wal se pese yenye project kese bi e wo Ghana man mu ena ma no so santino ama kwantuo adoso mabra bom these days entino momfa ncheme matemo nkra nyina me ma Esther obomi amane ya sayaba every nekoi we are back in business. We are going to make sure say anya hwe 4 times a week there you betimi aba life ne enemo abedin komo medin chiakese ema Alabila Goshwen Sylvester me maame Rose me aba Nana Akua Afro and a Best Bright GH so me chia oye pa me chia adofo ne atiefo amaba Abdul Tamin Balana ena ya mo amaba nyina me chia mu nyina eda mu nyina se meso se bo modern na share video no comment na unsubscribe to the channel no so subscribe to the channel and become part of our community. Nkonko tie Yewura Mahama. Bra not the opposition. Asema okaye concerning the overflowing in the country. Eni po de sumo no bono. Yewia na mabo video so akire nra. Okoshia the Ghanaian diaspora in London. Ehonso asema okokaye. Yewia na menu nyina ya che papa ne dwumadie no afa yenti video we mna sisia enti sa Ministry of Sanitation omahwe so emfiezu enti sa Ministry of Sanitation omahwe so emfie wotwene a ene nso kakra to
Omoko Jessica or World Bank, say you got a numu. I just say, Fanya no. NDC bar. Sa sanitation ministry no. Yebeguno. Near Sandia called local government. Okay. And maybe I'm sure Betobia. Yebe yi got a numu na send a bear and Sionoba, a benya quine, na asing, na ensure a tayiri ewa junction hono.
A few moments later.
If you come to London, you see the canals in the city. If you go and build a house in that canal, where will the water go? It will go back into people's houses. Unfortunately, Nanan Misremu, our traditional rulers are selling plots in streams. So when the water comes, what is left cannot contain the water. And so it will overflow and flood people's houses. That's our problem. And part of the problem is the local councils.
Bacho, shout video ni ye pa. Yes. Bra Ewura Mahama jina simpia nim na wonya Ghana fo. Tebe fo binom. Bebe fo binom. Enkrofo bi anyansa mpa ye fe ne nyansa adokro mo che ayede abo mo te se de jinso obo akokọ no. Papa no hwe wanim ka kire won se overflowing na ekoso Ghana man mo no. Eye because of Minister of Sanitation and MPP aban na abo no. No Mahama de oba, he's going to make sure say Minister of Sanitation obechi na tum na the overflowing na ekoso Ghana man mo no. Obetumi ayeden atwa so. Minya badi ma. Papa ba akuya yo. Okudru London. And now onye to me. Now oye the commander of Ghana Armed Forces. Chief Commander, unye commander nkwa. Chief Commander of Ghana Armed Forces. Tiemiye oye capo sansu ye commander of the Ghana Armed Forces. To me a war man no nyina kura no. To me war man no nyina mu kura no to me the chairman for no reason no. We can't say the issue of overflowing in your country is not because of bad governance. BM na moment is because of chiefs. Hey, John Dariga, me a fisherman, me mo akwa Papa John Dariga, we respect you. But one say panyini there. Yet wanumun sem ene value wo. Wanumun sem no ene the value wo. Ene yehu your standard if we can actually give you the needed respect. Now, Papa Panyina, we are the fair gentleman of 35 million population. Now, there has not been a single day why you're honest to tell the people the truth. How do you expect the youth in the country to respect you and to honor your position as president? This man is the most young can say entro lying for position. Entro ni atemudie, the king of all, John Dariga Dramani Mahama. Because this man is a pure communication strategist. He knows how to doom you with his mouth. And unfortunately, many Ghanaians are not able to analyze whatever His Excellency said and find the reality in it. So people just get victimized. They become victims to John Mahama's lies. Na nka se nip sabio nyet sabio na mamfo na adwene no nkwa animu na omonte nsemasia. Yewra Mahama bedi akonwa so 2012 to 2016. Overflowing koso ensuo shirifa mamfo ajapade wo man no. Yewra Mers breso ensuo to man mamfo ajapade ehwere. Enti se nya adwene na eduru ba bia yesi yede to ho. Na yede yakoma a reason. How will you sit down for such person to come and tell you, say, it is the fault of Obia, a fei na wabedi akonwa in 2016. Abra yen say overflowing in our country has been something that has always been with us. This is why we say, the 6 million kwasiafo no omo ye de enti aye bread say ye bre wo man no tiem ye that 6 million kwasiafo no the 6 million kwasiafo no they are the cost of our sufferings because enkenye omo a ebia nkene nka credit score system organ nka utumi to ade awutia nka krakra enkene nka ye wo the real 1 million coders or 1 million coding project anka ekoso ebia nkene gadam say na anka ekoso nka Dr. Bawumia would have used the system that he introduced by setting a kind of policy to encourage people to mind in a correct and saving the environment. But because of this 6 million Jimmy Fonti, now look at this. I want to play you another video where our Mahama was on a campaign platform and listening to what he said to Ghanaians. Here we are, near Siamba Yachitie.
Bebia e won kran ha nso to kakra pe na bebia ayiri ezu enti sa Ministry of Sanitation a omo ahwe so enfie wotwe a ene nso kakra to omo koji sika wo World Bank se ombe yiyi gata numu a che se omo mfanye hwe no NDC ba sa Sanitation Ministry no yebegu no ni asan dia call local government
Osan edi tudwa se na ban na eba wo mo behwe se asoye aye local government ene behwe eye sanitation enwonsem
ye be say the Sanitation Ministry no accord to local government emre bia nsuo beto bia ye be yiyi gota no nyina se na be ya nsuo no ba ebenya kwan na asen na nsuo a etayiri ewo mo junction ho no na echese yetimi asiesie na ye kama.
A few moments later.
Mpacho tiemi ye pao. And someone na yura mahama kanye. Our campaign time. And udim diya meya. The man said why this man was spreading this shitty things on the media no. There were millions of people na omujina siebo de che yura John Mahama. And inte debi make say the Ghanaian politicians must start thinking. Say, we are no more in the ages of 1980s. We are no more in the ages of 19 Kwajohoho. We are no more in the ages of Fabodiabetumechok. We are no more in the ages of Seopese wonko asimasifia Fabiana Sinako Piema Ameno Oto Dokono Nenchen Ho. Na teni benkum ubemu se car bi esi okoko esi waduro so dabi we are out of that. This time around we are in the digital space. Hey, this is a very shameful act. If John Darega is an honest president, he was supposed to come out and what? And excuse himself to Ghanaians. So we didn't try to contemplate the action dodo. Because it's not acceptable. Say a leader of such a populous country a leader of such a big country called Ghana can just stand up in front of everyone and lie and go scot-free. Odintro the Chregana Fonina, I can't say I'm Kwasia for ye Nimunyansa because or can we don't even see that he's lying. But that the same person they say same be fan and hona a yentra watch but ono there offend nipa 35 million no din throw the chireyenya. We should keep calm and remain silent. And I'm saddened here. Hey, and I come back to my topic. Okay, I said, we are saying adwene na nyankopon de ma ye no eye equal. But nyansa na ewa adwene num no ebinum omo de na ekita omo no enso omo because they are busy. And so ma de no wadwene nyansa na adwene na wo tum so ma nyansa no nya adwuma wo ma don't worry obi oho ba be fa wo nyansa no wom no na o de ye adwuma ama no. That is what actually John Mahama is doing with Ghanaians. I mean, I'm talking about the full soldiers. And your foot soldiers, full soldiers. FOOL, full soldiers. And then Mahama de yomo. Because in Kentesa, if there is any false publication against the government, you arrest the person. What about if the leader too, you come and lie to all the people? You have no problem. We should keep calm. We should allow you to keep on deceiving us. Adentia, you are the Daraga man. You are the Gonja man. You are the top hierarchy of the Gonja people. Intimay and Kawasem. How can this be? How can it be? Are we slaves still? Are we fools? Entro, what din tro beto semaye nintro nguni so. Udi tro nguni so a obaye den obechi watu. Beto no de owakwanya. So tibi hwe oman mani nyina nim. No twa nkontompo amu eduru edeto yenso. Adentia, he is the leader and the president of the republic. Now, odi yankode nkonko tie in London. Abra ye dis asem no to na nim se papa. Overflow de na ekoso Ghana no. What is your solution to that? He did not give solution. Oh, he did not give solution. The question was simple. What is your solution? Listen to what he said.
Is Ade Sawyer. I'm retired now, but I remain a community activist. I have some concerns too, but I would ask one question and I'll let the president take the concerns away. I'm happy that the High Commissioner has invited us to this meeting to come and engage with the leader of our country. I've listened to some of the ministers.
You see the canals in the city. If you go to London,
Later.
if you come to London,
And Timothy, the question was, Monfan Chairman and video, now I have dismissed it. I cannot find the pure video, the raw video. But the assembly yepa. Assembly yedibisa ye papa no. Now very simple. The woman just wanted to know the solutions that he has for the flooding. One can't say what is the cause of that. That be, or say tell me the solution that you have for the problem that is going on. Because Obibi Oyegana Niba Bianim, the cause of overflooding in our country. Obibi no bit to catch us only the entire Ghana Maimu and so toa na action fire. So what the woman wanted to know was, what is your solution to the problem? Because so he post where boya or say John Mahama criticized Akufo-Addo for his inability to tackle frauding problems across the country. And this year, Bissau said, no one yet the president. Now, what is your solution towards this problem? Why do you come out and tell Ghanaians this? Listen to
Later.
if you come to London, you see the canals in the city. If you go and build a house in that canal, where will the water go? It will go back into people's houses. Unfortunately, Nanan Misremu, our traditional rulers are selling plots in streams. So when the water comes, what is left cannot contain the water. And so it will overflow and flood people's houses. That's our problem. And part of the problem is the local councils.
So what you? Obiana or takra man for say and anado na oye ni pabone na waman or mine no in so actually fire and so and a year wouldn't ask for no. Ha abusia ene de ye bisa na ene de wan kese ya ban na ama da problem o ye bisa so what the issue is ye misa on say what is the cost abusia the issue is very critical. I say ye were the cause of something and a solution to the problem. The question that was put to Mahama was not about dear nenam so eman so eto edi shirifa akrao. The person was very specific. I was informed saying that my camera and I need a hopper. You spend this go. As a sound don't say name sound on the mobile there. You might miss them more kwaba. I want to say about me. Thank you very much for being here. I'm saying the sound of the more there and a video so I need the hokama kama pa. Ya shisha ya honka kra. Break in the settle ya honka kra. Asemna ni ebisa daregano. It was very simple, Papa. Solution ben ne kita wo so de be solve over frauding because when you were in opposition, you told Ghanaians to say Kufuado is the person who is unable to solve the overfrauding problem in Accra. So he was just supposed to tell us the initiative that he has put in on to solve this problem. Opapanko Kamentia, and then they were saying for the cause of our problem. We are asking you for solution. Why not take on him say if you YCCC gatas, YCCC and so trempomu and I'm over fraud and a coso. Why name? Everybody knows. You as a leader, what are you going to solve the problem? What are you going to do to solve the problem for the people? Simple and simple. DNA and then they are him for and a young problem. But brand now we simple so now body day edge fans no there. One guy say there are a him for or more tons are sit at the wrong position to the people. The video when I'm calling.
Bebia e won kran ha nso to kakra pe na bebia ayiri ezu enti sa Ministry of Sanitation a omo ahwe so mfie wotwe a ene nso kakra to omo koji sika wo World Bank se ombe yiyi gata numu a che se omo mfanye hwe no NDC ba sa Sanitation Ministry no yebegu no ni asan dia call local government.
Osan edi tudwa se na ban na eba wo mo behwe se asoye aye local government ene behwe eye sanitation enwonsem
ye be say the Sanitation Ministry no accord to local government emre bia nsuo beto bia ye be yiyi gutter no nyina se na be ya nsuo no ba ebenya kwan na asen na nsuo a etayiri ewo mo junction ho no na echese yetimi asiesie na ye kama.
A few moments later.
Mahama is the hope. He gives you hope. He's the hope for mankind. Change is the hope we need. He's the hope. He's the hope for mankind. Let's build the Ghana we want.
Enti the sanitation no ministry ye be yi dia local authority ne ekosi sen. Me say the sanitation authority no sanitation assembly the beko hwan and hwan local authority ne ekosi sen. Ene Accra ene nso to ya age afa. Enso age afa. Me jaru kwaku apia me mo akwaba. Enso na age Accra kuro na afa se omfa magana fo biem. Karma, natural justice. Natural justice. The justice of the nature. You can't fuck with it. Just forgive me if I'm harsh. You can never and ever deceive nature. And remember, always say, karma is a fucking bitch. He will deal with you at the right time. Oh, animguasio. Animguasia to papa way and everything has been clear. In fact, Nano, you read Dr. Bawumia can't send me money and I want to say this thing too. There is something about the MPP today that makes me very happy to talk for the MPP. You know why? Because the MPP is not giving promises are any achievable. The MPP is interested in talking about ideas, not just talking and going. Because the NDC for year 2024 move for campaign, any 2020 campaign messages or more buy, and then I teach us here don't get yahorewa. Any idea about Mahama is almost about to hang himself because when who say he has given unachievable promises. It is only a damp man that would think say he can do such things in a country called Ghana. A bit is a cocoa farmer be a bit too so 24-hour economy. Ekosi say and kokon kitten yantobasia me baso. And to the karma itself, the thing that we call karma. Don't let nobody deceive you. It is fucking bitch. And when it got you, it fucks you well. It is more than say Rasta man abu bobi na waje agu so. Yento aso de enko yanim. Still in London. Still in London. Another slap. Hey Dariga, whoa. We'll see you come back the second time. Miriam Wilson, you see you come back second time. Yo, Samija Simuakwabapa. But you go away with your head bound down because you cannot look in the face of the people because of how deceptive you have been since 2020 when you started being in opposition. Abusiamfo, yes, a bang way person can nipa dasani na numa sem emfanshe na num. Papa iko London, wako showcase the same thing today. Ewa London. Adentia. Olmai bi awa ye juma ko pension. Ewa London. Just wanted to ask a simple question and a simple recommendation to his president. Papa ni tina ye se na ote London se nko te Ghana nke ne nko da ni bini ho nko da ho nka wa ye le woni bini ho ye nko nko ti asema papa ne kan ye and see how he was treated because he was saying what they could not sustain.
Is Ade Sawyer. I'm retired now, but I remain a community activist. I have some concerns too, but I would ask one question and I will let the president take the concerns away. I'm happy that the High Commissioner has invited us to this meeting to come and engage with the leader of our country. I've listened to some of the ministers, and whilst it looks like the metrics are going in the right direction, the optics do not look very good. Every year there's perennial flooding. We have not been able to solve that problem in the city of Accra, our main city. Every weekend we see on TikTok the ministers at parties, instead of being with their constituents, they are talking to each other, blowing time. It does not look good, Mr. President. Please tell them that at weekends, they should go back to their constituents and find out what it is that the people of Ghana need.
Thank you very much for your question.
And now my concern.
Uncle,
Up to last week, we had a perfectly legal system that criminalized people with homosexuals. We have now decided that we are bringing on another law, which is a total distraction.
Uncle, please come to your question.
The concern is that
we're running out of
everywhere
time.
you go from now,
Please ask your
people will ask
question.
you about the LGBT bill and why we needed it.
Thank you very
I
much.
always wish you well.
Thank you very
and
much,
thank you.
Uncle. Thank you.
So who abusia? Me say nkrofo they don't want people to talk. They don't want people to talk. Even in London, a country of the Queen and the King of today, people cannot freely express themselves and say what they actually think about their country to their president, because so can the enye papa ne da obechi watum met ye wo landing tino ye ma won kasa. Stop talking. Look at how they maltreated this man. Was Abraham Mino? Oh, bisa very intelligent question. Why do we need to criminalize trumu? The entire was saying, ade bi a oya ye bechi watum anase na obi ene ne kunu bema bi aware ni be ni nwe bema na one ne dadan mu a ode baba bechi so one bema ne dana. So the question was very, very intelligent and very sensible that Mahama was supposed to explain to Ghanaians. But nkrofo we ama papa na ankasa. Ya mana ankasa because omo ankasa ni mu se saa dede na omo ye na Akufo Addo abre so di tu no frɛ konwa so nanado na musigynafo anase na chidifo yewura Dr. Bawumia amtimama medi president no enkrofo we nim se saa dede na omo ye na oman mu se yemfa mra se be criminalize media for omo kasa fa trumu for ho o energy for meba so mbe support o trumu for na asefo no yemfa mra se yentumi nye saa de no omo nim se na ye dede kwanyansa nim. So the question was very uncomfortable for the president. But enkrofo no montene maase no, they don't understand where the man wanted to get to. People don't understand. But the president and the people no moye leaders or more minum no, no more hobi no. They know said the man was pointing to a very sensitive questioner that could have exposed Mahama completely. So what they have to do is to cut him from net. Me say papa wa ye lucky sort London. Senkoti Ghana maimu anke achena tum. So why ye disrespectful? Wa bisa asema any kwanso bisa the king of Gonja. The mafia king of Gonja. The state capturing ideology leader. Wa bisa na question ni kwanse nko bisa no. Pacho timi asiye pa. Papa no waye lucky pa. Say nye Ghana maimu not here. Look at how they treated the man. But Papa we onam Ghana maimu a sebio amamfo no bebre no adwene no nya adwuma. Na omo hu na omo sachire na omo pese omo ni ntwa picture na omo ya ade a na momra because he knows say some of them among that 6 million kwasiafo no nobody will ask a sensible question. So he allowed them to come close to him. And in there there be omo kameti e ho ase say and this amanyoko no they are not after intellectuals, they are just after people. Sebi omunim omudini etwere omunim how to say good morning eka and omo because they want people that will not think beyond them, that will not think beyond the box, people that will allow themselves to be fooled completely like this. It's not the course who London any mguasie ministers or moti TikTok or mudin kwa asem London for ina so omo. Yekobisa Mahama say we should not talk about that. Yewura Mahama say we should not ask him questions, sir. Sabio eye against his initiatives. Na asem na papa ni bisa ye no ye to aso ne akohwa. Se mo be kaya NDC for said ye tie bia yewura na nado danko akufuado enkosan emra about trumu fo a omo ewo Ghana manmu ni omo ba Ghana manmu. Sabre no mu no akwa we
Global Fund.
Baju nyanto ba se papa we no you be no di animu gidigidi pa se said ye tie bia na nado pe ompe obesan samra no. Enam so man ko ekotra ba bi kura kan se samra na omo aye no boni bi anim. It must to be signed directly. Eman be jina bon tekura kan chire Ghana for say Kenya for efa samra na said the tie na they took a copy of it and they passed it in their parliament. The president signed and it has become a law in Kenya. Video no near tie.
The likes of Global Fund claim that they are giving support to Ghana AIDS Commission.
Okay.
And what is supposed to be the umbrella reason why they are supporting Ghana AIDS Commission? HIV prevention. Meanwhile, we have evidence of Ghana AIDS Commission officers meeting with pro-LGBTQ groups and giving them lubricants. So if Ghana AIDS Commission is supposed to fight HIV, why are you giving lubricants for men to have anal sex with men? And the excuse that they give, the excuse that is given is that these are people who already have HIV, and so they want them to not spread it, so they are giving them lubricants. That in itself is an activity that continues to perpetrate anal sex between men. So please, we will not open the window for anybody to bring any money for public health or anything. If they really want to fund public health, they should go and give maternal beds for women who do not have beds for delivery, not for anything relative or related to this one. This one won't open the door. No.
Enti abusuanfo se utie Sam George na sama okane ha ya. Tie me ye pa because se when tie me ya will not understand me. Brana na nado danko akufu ado tie akonwa so no. Sam George say NGO so omo ba Ghana so omo beboa nkrofo omo fa omo yonku meema no ma bebre na yare a omo de support obra omo no. Nkrofo no say and this for say man na ma ye se wo ye saa de ni bia na ye chiwa ye be ye den ye do betum asem na Sam George kan ho say amanfo e say omo ba beboa the sanitary the health system omo boa e yentro. They are just coming in to promote trumu. And this an etie dia na do ye president no. Onfa pen san say. Obi bi obeba Ghana mamu so oba be ye promotion so obeboa ma trumu obe ye yen kan say promotion directly or indirectly. Say obema consultants. Say obe support adwuma bi e fa trumu ho bia no. Na do nsan say ye chiwa ye do betum for 3 months. Yes, and so say na do nsan another thing say oba be ya de bi e fa trumu ho na wa anko report amfa ma ban na ye chiwa be ma 1,000 penalty points. Yes, and so na do nko san mra bi e kire say obi bi ode ne ho be hye trumu enema mu bia no yes bi a ode emfa ne say a condom so ne sa liquid na ye ton no de bra trumu fo no se de be ya omon fire de emfa momo ho no wow de sa de be ba bia no ye nchi wontum ye kan sem bebre organizations omo adwuma omo ye ne se omo de nkyerɛkyerɛ eba kyerɛ manfo trumu se de sitie be man be ye se ye nchichi omo nyina. This is what Sam George wanted Nanado to sign. Ya mabinum kura 7 years. Se bia ukoshe atade bia uye barima no akoshe ma atade ye mfa unkotu memfie enso. Ye se we media house and now ye CSO. any organization be obey a juma be a would promote to sell trumuno. Yam found cotton and bosumemi and sa and copem and fear noon. Some win and unquasiafo we send an adunco sign no. But ne sa fake bear no more they call parliament so munquaco sign no. San semna ena menusuntia nanado yet the oye human rights lawyer onim say it goes against the Human Rights International. Until sign bill be at the sanction rubber 2 months so that's a be wound to me more free everywhere. Unyam one free we are Siaman Simon Tino. Nanado say no, he will not sign that thing. And Crofo will be dear Kunya. Almost when they come, they are going to sign the same bill. Abusia Bill 9 they call Parliament. No. So on the current status now, ye yini free ho. Ebrum ye year free completely. Ebi to say yes say we media house, we CSO, we any organization. Now we adwuma bi esa wo de bo trumu hu dawura. Ye mfa nkotum bosom me ensan kopim bosom num no. Ye year free. Ebi to say yes say bia we nipa bi. Now we obi a wo be ye trumu ase ade bi wo Ghana man bua na. Enya de bia yebema waye den yebema akọ hospital wo Ghana man mu se bia waye trumu eniema na wanya yade wo ho a yesi emaye mfa wo nkọ hospital ene saa de no andisifo yi afrim ena omode akọ se mahama nkosan ba bia na yesi de obetum bosome miensa because indirectly or directly you are promoting or you are facilitating or consulting for activities of trumu a ye do betum bosome miensa no andisifo yi afri ho the etwa so to okura na yenko yanim ba bia yesese obi ekosha ataade bi a ye mema obi oyo oba akoshe mema ataade ana so oyo oba oye bema no koshe ma ataade se wo ton wo te se de oyo oba oye trumu a ye mfonkotum bosome emfie nso no ndc fo ayi afiri ho etiabusia dede bebrebe o mo ye eso emphasis and say the NDC as a party remains what? A certain QNet government and turning contempo. Ye didn't throw their chairman for no. Ye say the people cannot think beyond their brain. It ye need to to me. And then maybe Sam George say, what makes him kept himself away from what? From proposing the same law. I don't person family. I didn't person this the same number come Yura Mahama. I didn't hear. I was the son near my womb. Now, son near my womb, we know. She has a son now, and I say I'm for some way no man she ma. Cananadu would have not have any problem to sign it because in fact, we are there to for no more ho. There will be also more hospital the other. What kind of discrimination can be that? But and this is in power, and they are now telling you, say, San kwasi asem no mo kan ye to me no. It is something unhuman. Enya de bi edit enya ntete bi edit nipa dasani. Ada so you trumu ni onye trumu ni o. It doesn't matter. And then on there. Enti a Jimmy Fona na mudi Sam George tia na mu ye dede on the street of Accra up to the presidency. Sananado and the promoter of trumu no and then mujejereje. This time put there with this law not to say CSO so betima ba be promotion. You can do promotions. Media houses can talk about trumu. CSOs can facilitate or consult to advise trumu for amanfo betumi de niema kotia artificial betumi de nyina ba oman because there is no law that goes against them. It is a person no emu sugo na nkasa the juice of whatever it is going on indirectly, and DC is promoting trumu in your country. And DC is telling you say trumu promotion no, they have accepted that, and that is what every Ghanaian offer to be trumu between na bontene because there is no criminalization on that. So party ni ye pa emra we no omode aba no, it does not actually do nothing against trumu for. Embrani de omu nyina say ye chiwo say we ye trumu wo dan mu a. Na hwan na one ne nua be me kwa akoda wo dan mu a. Obebie ne pono to se mo mra na mo metwa me na mo mfa me ko mahama. So wahu. Hey, yehuna man. Yehuna man pa. Papa no wayi suliya, especially the 6 million fools. Wayi mo suliya. Ademadwene diagro. The 24-hour economy is the most important thing, no. And they see a market. Now, na mama be can asem. I say 24-hour economy na there. Ababe 24-hour dimamini o. I say ade be market no condoms you go on table so. Na de ho na busia. Enti sa trumu law no only entroning kontompo. Sa mra na omode aba no, it is actually going to help to promote trumu. Me ma me star any tie for mesrem ene mentimu emfa call. I have to go to somewhere. But if you ochina kono, I will sit down, have time, and I will take in course. What I want everybody to understand is say, don't ever allow NDC to deceive you. They are incompetent. Omo ni message you. Now asema na kutaba when be so very serious. I say, let the NDC tell you in these 2 years of governance, they no more so they are the people that has brought our economy to this level. Kai who say IMF na omo no mo manage sika na mepemene no MPP for na dey enko ye. And every agreement that was undersigned, it was the MPP that undersigned them. The fact is say we are IMF now so be timi afa nkrofo adwuma no. Remember say it was something that was led by the MPP. Because NDC for IMF last time no, na wuntumi mfa nipa wa adwuma mu. Na wuntumi mfa nipa e wa adwuma mu. Me even sankan mo akwa pa. Na wuntumi mfa nipa wa adwuma mu. But because of the good leadership or more they see the IMF untino, and even though we're an IMF, we can still employ Ghanaians in the government sector. So Dr. Oyemi so almost say monka de mo year in 1.5 years. I na say mama economy no aye papa. I think that he's right. He's right because what he's saying is very truth. Abusan for me dem do be see ana my both videos kakra kire mo because I cannot remain for no longer. My message say nena your first timer subscribe to my channel. Become part of our community. Follow me on Facebook, Ras Media GH. O person support me, wait to subscribe. Na boss me be our support to me with a little fee because YouTube, no, I be a hobbit. It doesn't matter. We will keep on pushing till they give our monetization back. So as soon as more TikTok as Ras Media GH, we wait to my so now support to me. But the moment see na me njamo kwa me bo video me no be akire mo video no si na wan tem nka. Yes, sir. Adios. Until we meet again. Adios.
Share video na eda soro ho no na ye nim komo emfa
yensa ekaye 1000 eno ene enkoko a yensa ekaye e wo yemansi mase yenyen no na yenyen wiye no kazo titakura eba mu enkoko ni bi efi no amount 1000 and a figure enti yetimi eyi sa number no efi mu na esa ne say ye man nipa 200 ye person nipa 200 payment ni nipa 200 na aban no ye se omunsa enka no de ya hwese obia ensa be kan de esa ne say kakra na fi mu nti no nipa instead of 50 years obia be no ya ma obia 40 nipa 200 na edwo de ya ma obia 40 ya se
kasa bibere abuzia enkofu ya no mga se bi Ghana for ye jimi ana akwa we hwa na kire ne mas yemfa adwene no nyansa nto ne nkwasa keka no yenti esi wo achimsu eduru eho na de we sie o say his excellency the president John Dramani Mahama ebra mo nkoko 2000 ese mumunye wo mu abra na nkoko diso aya de mbra mo se munye nkoko no na omunyi ni kakra makwa cheche ama nipa 200 according to wo mo na mo ye expert na de nkoko ne bra mo no 1000 eni achire ewuye edo de yemfa na flat figure 1000 ama abeka 1000 etimu kwache 1000 ama nipa 200 and yen divide oche 1,000 ema nipa 200 I was say technically no obia enya 5 akwa we so kire say o ma chenkukọ no ama nipa 200 na obia enya 40 meanwhile o multiply 40 by 200 so that is 8,000 hey akwa do ka say do flavor oh and trust say ye na mutwa che Ghana for e ya for biti be was hey mahama akwa chenkukọ 40 ama obia nipa 200 obia 40 masa muhu de moye muhu de mo kekan yi how can you tell me say president Eden Kuko 2,000 aba and Kuko 2,000 aba say monye wo mu na omunyini a makoche ama nipa 200 say that time no 2,000 by 200 go bia benya Kuko 10 obia benya 10 mama emu 1,000 ewu you've caused financial loss to the state ma bo man ka surusuro na ene u se twatro ese makoche enkaye 1,000 na mache ama 200 no enipa 200 obia enya 40 eh he na mo fi flavor o man ba kwa ye chechire emu nipa nyina nka nokre mo nka nokre obia pese otwatro obia enya microphone ni camera ni mu gina o pese otwatro che Ghana fo
na ha wo MPP wo NDC wo CPP nipa hu na me say jantoafo no de be ka say ye jantoafo jantoafo no oba no ene lawyer no ne ba ko na no wo say inshira afam no be ka say ye if you listen to them be ka say ye asofo no mu a say baduko bi de say otono na soro ya na anye sa na so nda no
aye sembe
na ira ne de akokọ tokora ko junction to so he nyankopon wudi nyankopon atwe a for Moses ni no one person wudi di nyame atwe baduko bi gina ka say MPP wo mu ko position wo mbekọ mo bia mu wo mu nye ana baduko bi MPP fon ka sentia so wa so ndan o ira di junction to so sa ne ira no o kan pleadings no a ana wo se sa so ndan no oba no se onu be ma no wo mu dia oba no kire so ne be ma no dia man of God obri bo he won kwa sori Roma no wa kan to ya bronsam me ya bronsam obri bo he won gabi maye o ya bronsam me yo me ya bronsam be me nyankopon so the LGBTQ no me se me ya se ana ma me fo ko me hayam ho ewa
na chese asam na em nwanwa
andi sifoi mo amogegina na ningwase akwa abo
sa mampani jandremani mama ehwe sa amre pa na so san ya na wo ye gu kristofo ni mase pa
fa jajaja na no na so mpanyi no nkoye no board member
ye na superintendent
Jonas of
yeah the president ni say yes the immigration
board I want for say when we are Ghana be retaliate or South Africa there I'm not sure Ghana ni South Africa ni ya sorry
ade a Ghana team dey call South Africa
I saw Pentecost ICGC Reform Church we church I sorry but South Africa there or DSTV Stanbic, Protea, Lancet, Shoprite,
MTN, and Nyama Bebre company.
Coffee Buja, Babia will be our Samadra Winsani, Debbie Dankwa Winsani, Akufado Winsani, Pa Grant Winsani. I said a coffee Buja and Canny and Abbey. Now, when you're cutting Samatane, I'm not sure from Pacotan Baby say. So we Kwame Nkrumah. I'm not sure for what so we Kwame Nkrumah. Now we a champon. Now we Mahama. Baba Kenya we stimulate who Mumonu I'm not sure from who Wafere.
Apart the Akufo-Addo ayano bone pa.
Akufo-Addo nyano bone.
Now tie.
Say people for one. Bebre no. Sabi kafracho bebre no open no kofiwa bebre open no kofiwa bebre the CPP party cannot survive CPP onya one parliamentary seat bio na yesu aba
oh but ombetima
CPP parliamentary seat bio na Yesu aba
ombetima sa organize
CPP parliamentary seat bio na Yesu aba and this aje wo supporters ni na and this aje abanya paso so you see Kofi Buzianum ke yeni South Africa dialogue anyway JB Dankwan momenyan to boss ena hwe Burkina Faso ena kosiana abode ba ma yemfa kosiana nko abode Kwame Nkrumah start any policies ni binum Buzianu 2 Dankwanum kan ye Kwame Nkrumah CPP tema oti varanda boys no